I get questions about these badges I have in my jacket. This is the canoe group I belonged to as a kid here when I was a teenager called the Kipwa Drifters. And this is a canoe group I started with local girls called the Kipwa Freeboarders when I first moved here. But on our first trip, I had a friend flying with pizza to surprise the girls. They were boiling water for pasta, and I kept saying the water wasn't ready until they heard the plane. And this is the video of that event.
Not excited about you, Sean! Watch your back! It's pizza!
I don't think the water's boiling.
I'm gonna cry. Oh my God! Why is this so upset pizza? I don't know why I'm crying. The pizza brought me joy. It's happy. Are you taking a video?
The one you wanted?
Yeah. Pizza. Give me that pizza now, man. You're gonna be attacked. You're gonna be attacked.
Why are you taking video?